Welcome back to Autoscope. Mitsubishi Motorhome 2026. External doors and access. Easy access is provided by power sliding side doors with soft close mechanisms. Strong and lightweight materials. Modern composite materials offer superior insulation while lowering vehicle weight and increasing fuel economy. Exterior lighting. Dynamic signal function LED. Taillights with a modern style. Wheels and tires. Alloy wheels with a contemporary design that complement the vehicle's personality. Tires with self-sealing capabilities that are made to be both comfortable and long-lasting. Interior living space. Premium materials. Long-lasting, easily cleaned materials that create an opulent atmosphere. Contemporary kitchen. 2 or more burners on an induction or gas cooktop. A sink made of stainless steel with taps for both hot and cold water. Freezers and refrigerators that use less energy and have the right capacity. Microwave oven built-in. Cabinets with an efficient design for storing food supplies and culinary utensils. Eating table that is extensible or foldable. A permanent double bed at the rear or top of the driver's cabin. Alcove provides a comfortable sleeping space. A smart flat-screen TV that can be turned for different viewing angles serves as the entertainment and connectivity system. Interior lighting that can be customized. LED lights with programmable colors and intensities. Smart storage. Drawers, cabinets, and concealed storage areas made to make the most of available space and maintain a tidy interior. Fuel efficiency and environmentally friendly. Diesel or hybrid engines that are more fuel efficient and emit fewer emissions in accordance with future emission regulations. Security system. Motion activated anti-theft alarm. Remote controlled central door lock. A recording capable external security camera. Advanced driver assistance systems. ADAS include the lane keeping assist system, LKAS, lane departure warning system, LDWS.